Understanding bears fruit, a guide to English idioms. Hello everyone. In today's video, we'll explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, bears fruit, in English. This idiom is often used in various contexts, and understanding it can really enrich your language skills. Let's dive into this fruitful topic. The phrase, bears fruit, is an idiom that means to yield positive results, outcomes, or benefits. It's derived from the literal idea of a fruit tree bearing fruit, which is the result of careful nurturing and patience. In a metaphorical sense, when your efforts or actions bear fruit, it means they are successful or have produced the desired result. To better understand how to use this phrase, let's look at some examples. 1. After years of research, the scientists' hard work finally bore fruit. 2. If you study diligently, your efforts will bear fruit in your exam results. In these sentences, bears fruit is used to signify the successful outcome of hard work and dedication. This idiom is versatile and can be used in various contexts. In business, referring to the success of a strategy or investment. In education, when efforts in learning or teaching yield results. In personal development, relating to the outcomes of self-improvement efforts. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you understand and use the phrase, bears fruit, in your daily conversations. Remember, like nurturing a tree, patience and consistent effort are key to seeing your endeavors bear fruit. Until our next lesson, keep practicing and exploring the beauty of the English language.